Gonna.
Yes, guys, morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're not gonna cook it. We're gonna get some grocery for turkey. So we can go here at this time. Yeah, man. So we get some grocery. We have to supply. Come on, come on. Come on. Yeah, man. So we get some preparation for Beryl. The grocery. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. So we are in tomorrow. Stay tuned. We'll make you see what going on. Yes guys, welcome back. So we are to shopping now. Yeah man, so we have 3 canned beef here. And much 16 of here. Show them. I'll take one brownie. 3 baked bean and butter bean, 3 sardine, 1 milk, 2 lasco, and we are looking at in a ration with 1 spam. Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese.
No, it's not 6 on it.
Alright, we are take 6. I'll get 6. Pick up 3.5. I get some maybe I get some popcorn. None of this. We'll look around now guys, we'll look around. Treat this yeah. Now I've got one for me. I get some rice in the rice. You get that? I'm full of water. Perfect. Cheese country, you know. And soup. Pakasal. So that is it for now. So stay tuned. Watch what going on. Guys, we come shop, you know, but we come a Leaker's place. You can see what going on. Leaker Beauty Supply. The money. So downstairs we get some grocery for preparation for the hurricane, but we are going to check out of Leaker's Beauty Supply. That's where you can get everything you need for ear supplies, your nails, everything. We have slippers, and we have all type of ears. We have all type of ear. Come on, check it out. We have school bag. Oh, show you school. Come on, let's show you. We have school bag. And then we have TV. TV there. We have clothes. Yeah man, so that is it.